What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is a field of applied biology that makes use of living organisms or biological systems to make technological advances and use them in various fields. It basically seeks to improve the quality of human life and the health of the planet. In other logical words, biotechnology is the use of biology in combination with modern technology. Engineering course is also introduced in the field of biotechnology. Biotechnology engineering is a part of engineering that involves the technology and biological science for development in the field of medical, agriculture, security and bio-research. Also, it involves the research and study of microorganisms, bioorganisms and cell functions in living beings. The scope and field is wide as biotechnology is the rapidly growing field. The demand of biotechnical experts has been growing nowadays. This field is a blend of many specializations. Those specializing in this field can easily seek jobs in private and government undertakings. Various pharmaceutical companies, government and private research lab, analysis laboratories, agricultural research lab, clinical research bodies and various reputed and related organizations are hiring the biotechnology engineers at the current employment scenario. India has the best environment to advantage the research program in the field of biotechnology due to various climatically conditions, long coastal line and largest biodiversity. The graph of demand for biotechnologists is witnessing an upward curve of growth over the last few years and is expected to continue the trend in the future. Now we will see what are courses available in biotechnology is undergraduate and postgraduate level. One can do BSc Honours Biotechnology or BTech Biotechnology in UG level. Also, options are available for BSc Honours with Microbiology or Zoology or Bioinformatics or Medical Biotechnology. Similarly, in Masters also, one can pursue MSc or AIM-Take programs in biotechnology. Also, options are open for MSc courses Microbiology or Bioinformatics. Here are the subjects that are being taught in various biotechnology courses. There are few subjects like engineering mechanics or engineering graphics are only taught in BTech programs and not in BSc programs. Also, subjects related with mathematics may only taught in BTech courses. Specializations that one can take other than biotechnology in this field are bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is the use of computational approach to analyze, manage and store biological data. It involves sequence data management and drug design occurred at a speedy rate. Medical biotechnology. Medical biotechnology implies the application of biotechnology in the field of healthcare sector. It deals with diagnosis of various diseases, large-scale production of various drugs and hormones and vaccines. Microbiology. Microbiology is that branch of science which deals with the study of microscopic living organisms. It provides education regarding the properties of microorganisms and their impact on the human body. Zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology that helps to understand the aspects of animal science disciplines including growth and development, genetics, anatomy, comparative nutrition and environmental physiology. Career options that are available after completing study in the field of biotechnology are research scientist. A research scientist works within scientific organizations to study living organisms and systems and use the findings to inform biotechnology, pharmaceutical, and healthcare initiatives at the companies. Biotechnologist. A biotechnologist studies the chemical, genetic and physical attributes of cells, tissues and organisms in order to develop new technologies, processes and products. Quality control officer. A quality control officer performs biological tests on raw materials as well as final products to ensure quality standards are met. They work with research team and upper management to ensure that quality standards are evenly enforced. Biotech analyst. A biotech analyst assesses how biotechnology companies fit within the economy as a whole, and how new products might affect existing industries and practices. Research interns. R&D jobs. A research intern assists in building and designing medical devices, collaborate with other doctors, scientists, and professionals in doing research and evaluate and confirm the safety of biomedical product. Microbiologist. A microbiologist undertake laboratory analysis and monitoring of microbial cultures, samples and new drugs using specialist computer software and a range of identification methods and clinical trials. Biochemist. A biochemist study the chemical and physical principles of living things and of biological processes, such as cell development, growth, heredity and disease. Lab technician. A lab technician set up, maintain and clean laboratory instruments and equipment, gather and prepare biological samples for laboratory analysis. They also conduct biological tests and experiments. One of the prominent university that is offering this program is Amity University. Amity University have almost completed 3 decades in imparting quality education in 300 plus courses in 60 plus disciplines. This university is having 11 campuses in India and also 13 campuses in abroad. It has also tie up with various leading global universities for research and education. NIAC have given a plus grade to Amity University. To know more about this university and to apply, please visit www.aiccareerguidance.tk and register. You can also get coupon codes through registration in this portal, which will reduce your application cost.